Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Thank you for having us here. I'm feeling like home at your community. My question is, one of your messages was that no one is above anyone, and no one is better than everyone else. I also know that one of the deeds in Islam is dawa, to spread Islam. And I find these two messages confronting.
First thing is, no one is above other one means that being a human being, you are equal. You should treat each other with equality, right? This is the meaning of being equal. But you see, everyone cannot be equal. All 5 fingers are not equal. So some people are rich, some are poor, some are better educated, some are less educated. So there's, you see, in the practical life we can see there is difference. So in this sense, we are not equal, but in the other sense, being a human being, we are equal. That is the meaning of it. And we also believe that all the religions came from God Almighty, right? And they were all true religions. We believe in all the prophets of God. But we also believe that all these prophets prophesied that a prophet will come in the later days, at the end, who will be the final of the prophets. And we believe that the Holy Prophet of Islam is that prophet. In reality, what do you see? The Bible has been changed. There are quite a number of verses that have been distorted. But the Holy Quran is the only holy book which is in its original form. So in this way, we say, although all the religions came from Allah the Almighty, but all the prophets who came before the Holy Prophet of Islam said that a prophet will come with the final law of the God. Because at that time, the people of that age will be more enlightened. They will have better education. They will have better opportunity to understand. They will be more educated and understand the knowledge. They will be well versed and well aware of the science. And if you can see it today, so this is why we say that although all the prophets were true, and we believe in all the prophets, we never try to undermine any of them. We do not say that they were wrong, their teaching was right. They were true prophets of Allah, the Almighty. But the final teaching of Allah came to us through the Holy Prophet of Islam Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And this is what we believe. If you see the original teaching of the prophets, you will know that this is the teaching of all those previous prophets. Okay? So in this sense, yes, as far as the religious teachings are concerned, so we say that now in this age, Islam's teachings are the final teachings, and which can relate with present day knowledge and wisdom and science and everything. Otherwise, in the previous religions, you cannot, compare them with the present day knowledge and wisdom as well, right? This is the difference. In short, this is the meaning of it.
Thank you. Shukriya.